Hello and welcome back to the channel Hard to Set Info, and today I will show you how to buy an Etsy gift card. Let's open Etsy on my phone, and at the home page I need to go to my profile picture in the top right corner of my screen and now find the line that says gift cards and Etsy credit right here. Press black button that says buy a gift card and then press shop now button. So this is the page where you can customize your Etsy gift card. And first of all, you have to pick design for your card. So here are many designs that you can select. For example, this one. Then you have to choose a gift amount. So here are amounts that are available, or also you can simply just enter amount that you want. Then you have to select where do you want your receiver to receive your gift card. So it could be email, mail, or simply SMS. Also, you have to enter information about the receiver of your gift card, so it's name, email, and also you can leave them a message. And also enter your name, who this gift card is sending this gift card, and also you have to enter here date when you want to send your gift card to your receiver. And finally, press button add to cart when everything looks right, and in the cart you have to pay for your gift card. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.